Oh my gosh, Will. We found a massive trail of ants. Yay. So gross. Can't be having the ant party. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6:40 a.m. This morning, my husband and I'm taking him to my reformer Pilates class because he isn't working today, which I'm really excited. And we woke up, I think I told you, to an ant trail across our entire kitchen table. We've been struggling with ants in our apartment, so that was very fun. But I'm gonna drink my coffee and then we're gonna get ready. Are you excited for Pilates?
Thrilled.
Wow, the sunrise this morning. Oh. Okay, so Will needs a pair of grip socks, so I'm gonna give him one. I got so many from Amazon the other day because I literally only had one pair before yesterday. Do you have the navy ones?
Yeah, I'll do these ones.
I can't sacrifice my pink or my orange, just in case you rip them.
Just in case.
Slay. He normally doesn't brush his teeth or put deodorant on before he works out.
Yeah, but it's on a beach.
Alright, well, let's go. Let's go, we gotta go. Hurry. Cheers! Cheers! Left late and got here early, so...
So what does that tell you?
Stretch it out, baby. How you feeling, babe? We did it! Time to get coffee. And so... Thank you. Parking pass in the trash. We are now on our way to UPS because we are shipping out the winner giveaway box, the Dyson Airwrap and all of that, and I have some Amazon returns, so let's go. It's technically closed now.
It's closed.
January 2nd. Didn't think about that, so shipping is gonna have to wait another day. Will's literally putting toothpaste to try and block the ants from coming in. Okay, time to shower, and today's actually a hair wash day, but I wanted to show you, I've been loving this Gem Light shampoo and conditioner in amber deep copper brown to maintain my red hair. It's on the darker side, and I've been using it for a while, and I really like it. Also been mixing the Color Fresh Mask by Wella in the shade Rose with the amber conditioner to make it a little bit more vibrant to match my vibrant hair extensions. But anyways, we're gonna wash my hair. Okay, I have less than an hour before we need to FaceTime some of our good friends from the UK, so I need to at least do my makeup and get my hair dry by then. That is the goal. All right, we're about to FaceTime our friends. We've got our pasta, and that's all.
Good morning.
Hey.